Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a new file with the right dimensions so your work scales properly. Set 300 dpi for print quality detail. Once the canvas is ready, choose RGB for web or CMYK for print so colors behave predictably. Make one raster layer and select a pencil or pen brush to lay down rough shapes. This gives you editable pixels and prevents accidental vector constraints. Make sure to save immediately with incremental file names so you can roll back if needed. Now you expand the file structure to keep things non-destructive. Create labeled layers for sketch, linear, flats, and shading so edits stay isolated. Use vector layers for line work because they let you smooth and resize without pixel loss. Once done, convert or export as needed. Set a flats layer as reference, then use lasso and fill tools to block color quickly. This speeds workflow dramatically. Make sure to apply clipping and multiply modes for shadows so they follow your base colors naturally. To finish, prepare an export while keeping your original. Clip layered file for later edits. Create a merged copy to avoid losing separation. Export as PNG or JPEG for final images or PSD if you'll continue in other editors. Choose sRGB for web consistency. If you encounter laggy brushes, reduce stabilizer, decrease canvas resolution, or close heavy reference layers to improve performance. If problems persist, restart Clip Studio and reset tool settings. This step ensures clean output and quick troubleshooting if things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.